Here, I want to bring in Investing Diva CEO Kiana Danial. Kiana, where is Bitcoin in your mind headed? It feels like it's been in a sort of a range, but it's near the top of that range now. Have we put in the bottom?
Right. Thank you so much for having me. And Bitcoin is historically very volatile, and this Amazon job listing may or may not have been behind the growth. Yesterday, there are rumors that there was actually a whale who triggered this growth, and then the rest of the market follows. And technically speaking, from a price action perspective, which Bitcoin follows the market sentiment very well, we're still not out of the bottom yet. We still need a confirmation of a break above the $41,000 level. This level has been tested multiple times within the previous range in the past couple of months, and it's also right at the upper band of this indicator called the Ichimoku cloud, which I tend to follow, so we're not out of the bottom yet. There is a good chance that this hype is going to kind of calm down soon.
Well, I mean, you also have things like today, Senator Warren, Elizabeth Warren, again, calling for more regulations on cryptocurrency. This is a dark cloud. I mean, can it truly break out as long as some of these regulatory issues are still out there?
So before anybody who's interested in investing in cryptocurrency, I would love to invite them to understanding why are they investing in cryptocurrency, because these kind of hype and FOMO kind of news is going to come out over and over and over and over again. The industry is super new. If you don't understand Bitcoin, go understand it first, because the biggest mistake you can ever make is to go into Bitcoin just because Amazon posted a job listing, or you're going to sell your Bitcoin just because a senator said, hey, we're going to put regulations. That is not reason enough to invest in cryptocurrency. Bitcoin has value because Bitcoin, well, in some people's opinion, because of its nature.
I got you. You're saying do your due diligence, understand what you own, and then you'll be more comfortable owning it. I've got a minute to go, but I want to switch gears. You heard just a moment ago, David brought up these Chinese stocks. Obviously, they've been hammered. Folks like Cathie Wood are just abandoning ship. But I saw a tweet that you posted. I thought it was compelling. You said, before panic selling your stocks because of China's new regulations, think to yourself, are these companies' customers going anywhere? It sounds like to me that you would be a buyer of these names on weakness.
Yeah, so I am a value investor, both in cryptocurrency and any other asset. So yes, is investing in international stocks risky? Yes, China in particular. But what is the reason you bought the stock in the first place? Are companies like JD.com, Baidu, Tencent, are they going away? Are the customers going away? There are 1.3 billion Chinese people who rely on these companies' services. So no matter what the regulations are going to be, these companies are going to find a way to be profitable. Now, if they are delisted from the stock exchange, we're going to probably have to invest over the counter. But still, if you're investing in the company itself, then you may have to kind of clarify your strategy.
No, listen, very brave. They're down a lot. It's an interesting call. I'm glad we've got you on the record, because most people are fleeing, and Warren Buffett said, when everybody else flees, take a look. Kiana, thank you very much. We'll talk to you again very soon.